So at Southeast Restoration, one of the things PSA has really helped us to do is to scale and provide some level of framework to the chaos that exists in the restoration industry. There's people that need us all over town at all different parts of the day and the night, and you have to ground yourself in a framework. And we like to give our team freedom within a framework, but PSA is that framework for us. From dates to log notes to communications, there's standards and expectations that we have to set across all 8 of our current operating locations and about 220 team members. And PSA helps us to do that. We have visibility and transparency into that tool and into how we're actually servicing our customers. So yes, it gives us great reports, it gives us great data, but more importantly than that, it lets us scale and bring on new customers because we can see that our customers are following the path they need to on their journey to restoration. So we at Southeast Restoration are really big supporters of PSA and very grateful for how well they've listened to their customers and adapted the technology over time to help us meet the needs of our growing business.